Hey guys, hellos, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, man, I've been doing this for 18 hours. 18 hours. I didn't sleep. I woke up, I was still doing this hair. I suffer for beauty shame. Beauty is pain. Yeah? Beauty is pain. Tatangim. Beauty is pain. Anyways, my returning subscribers, thank you guys for coming back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you are notified each time I post a video. Yeah, my name is Rita. If you don't know me, welcome back, guys. Let's remove this hair. Today is a Saturday, so yeah, man, let's see if there's something nice to do. Ouch! My advice to all ladies, please don't keep your hair for 2 months. Please, it's a bad idea. Okay? It's a bad idea. But I'm looking like a masquerade. Vele, my hair. Icona. This hair, I'm tired. Finally. Finally. Oh. So this is the parcel, guys, that I got. Which right? Let's see what is inside. Some books. Yeah, even we're going. So I got this shampoo, guys. It's like non-stick 9 kg shampoo for silk and strong hair. And we know we need strong hair. It's made out of onions, so yeah. I said it's good. I got a shampoo from the same product, and I got a conditioner, guys. I'm taking care of my hair. And then I got like this is the hair oil. I'm doing good. Don't mind the shower capella, guys. They say after putting the oil you cover. So I got this 3 things. What's this? Okay. These fake things, guys. I don't believe in this cashback things. So those are the things that I got. I'm gonna be using for my hair. Okay, guys, I know maybe I am not audible on stuff, but yeah, what to do? I'm gonna stay for like 5 minutes and I wash my hair. Then I start my day. Today is Saturday. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, the hair was so hard to remove. So hard to remove, shame. Yo, don't keep hair for too long, guys. So can we talk about my skin? Oh, we shouldn't. Hmm? Hmm? It's so good. It is because it's rainy season and it's not too hot anymore, so my skin is like coming back. No filter. Okay, okay, me. See you after some time. Not better, right? Yeah, this is it. No filter. Skin. So good. So guys, I am supposed to go somewhere right now, and as everyone saw the condition of my hair, you can understand why it is inside here. So currently I'm using this because I'm not using spray anymore because yeah, for some health issues I can't explain, but it is smelling so good. So good. Yeah. No need to look good, guys. We're just going in and out. So yeah, this is so yeah, guys, we make a quick stop today. I took the just came to get a laptop, and we spent like 300 rupees. High life is expensive, Gasan, but it's closed. Yeah, it's closed.
It's closed.
Yeah,
Where do they get bus from? We don't know.
we get it up there. We go that up there and get it.
That's just
But I'm very hungry.
I think it's because of the
So we're in a bus, and we're sitting on the best side. Yo, Dinesh. Like, everyone is looking at like, what is wrong with this children? So hey guys, still the same day. Now it's like right after dinner, so we're having a bit of a farewell party, just a brief cake cutting and stuff with the other students inside the hostel. So that is where I'm heading right now. When I say what I'm wearing, okay, let me say what I'm wearing on the party when I'm inside the hostel. So let me put it here, guys. The Last Supper! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm with a graduate. We'll see in South Sudan, see that. It's over.
When I look at you, I see the ever-buried air I breathe. I see the sun, girl, how you shine on me. Niko mzima kwa sababu ya wewe tu. And when you talk to me, I hear the angels, I can hear them sing. I hear the sound of our eternity. I am blessed to be your man, this much is true. Ooh. And all that I am, I will happily give to you, baby, if you'll take me, oh girl. See, forever something I just can't do. No, not without you. I want to marry you. I want to marry you. I want to marry you. I train the mama, papa, you. Oh, I want to marry you. I want to marry you. I want to marry you. Atwende kwa baba na mama yangu. Oh baby, hadithi utamkone. Oh baby, leo najisi amkongea. Oh baby, yelo ndani ya mtima.
Hey guys, so today is a Sunday, and yeah, it's the evening, and my former classmate invited me to a church, so that's where I'm going right now. My voice is not there because of the party. I don't have a voice, so I guess son. So I'm taking you guys along with me. My first time going to that church, never been there. So yeah, I'm not looking my greatest because it's a lot. Okay, guys. Hey elders, so I came back from church just now. Oh my god, my hairline. Yeah, I came back from church. Yeah, it was such a blessing to go to church. I needed it today. I'm so blessed to have gone there. So yeah, I think we're gonna meet tomorrow and there's something else to vlog, but if there's nothing, we're gonna edit the video But I'm so happy if you watched until this far. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, please. Okay, tomorrow. Hey guys, hello out there. So it's still the same video. Yeah, today is still the same video. Today is a Monday. Yeah, I think the video like yesterday ended when I came back from church or was going to the shop or something. I don't know. But today is a Monday and I'm here to end the video. But before I end the video, I just want us to unbox this few things that I got from Flipkart. Last week they had a sale, so I just decided to buy myself a bag. This is the bag I got. Yeah, because I don't have bags. If you've been watching my other videos, you will see that I'm never carrying a bag. I am not that lady who carries a bag, but okay, there's always room for change, guys. There's always room for change. So I decided to get myself a bag. I think this is my first bag. That is so funny. In 27 years, I'm getting my first bag. Yeah, I have other bags, like school bags and stuff, and I didn't get them like one my room, like my friends, they gave it to me. The pink one, my friend gave it to me. The other one also my friend gave it to me. So I decided to buy myself a bag. So I just unbox this bag. I don't even remember how it looks like because it was a long time ago. So let's unbox it together. Okay, let's see. Oh, the sun. I don't need a scissor, but it's not that hard. Let's see. See, first bag. This is it. Yo, it looks better. It looks so ladish, so womanized. You know. Okay, let's get it off the plastic. Let's see. Let's get it off the plastic. Oh my goodness, Lord. Oh my goodness, Lord. It is so beautiful and it's so big inside, guys. It is so big because, okay, let me remove this thing so that things are born now. Okay, let's remove this. Okay. So here is it. It has this slim back kind of sort of thing. Okay, so here is it. So yeah, it's big. It has like, it looks like this inside, like this. Yeah, it's so nice. I love it. I love it, and it was so affordable. That is why I love it. Actually, it was so affordable for someone like me. So guys, yo, that's the first thing I wanted to unbox. Let's put this thing back inside because we don't know where I'm gonna use it. So let me continue and stuff it with this thing. Okay, so yeah guys, this is the first thing I got for myself. So pretty. Good girl. So the next thing I got my face serum. I always buy it after like 2 months and stuff, but this time around, because there was a sale, I decided let me get it. There is no need for me to unbox it because it's just a face serum, guys. I use the serum. Let me get one inside. Yeah, here's it. Yeah, I use the vitamin C for focused for serum for my face. I know, but my lighting is so terrible. People, you can't see my face, and my hair is a mess. But my face is like really good, doing good. It's really doing well. It's really doing well. So yeah, let's move on to the next thing I got. I got I got lip gloss. You know, I found this lip glosses that we used to have as kids in it. Those ones that have that ball that's rosy. So I decided to like order it. I'm not sure if they are the same because maybe they are different from the ones that I know. So I wanna see if they're the ones. I got them. I don't know how many are there inside, but I was thinking maybe they are small sizes. That is why they were like, I think, I don't know how many are there, but they were like 90 rupees. If you convert that money to rent, guys, you find like it's 2 rent or 4 rent. Like it's too small. 90 rupees, maybe 10 rand. Yeah, 10 rand, 20 rand. Emalange, not rand, emalange. So I'm trying to open it. Here is it. I wanna see if it's the real thing, guys. I've been imagining in my head, because I imagined it because I bought it, and I was thinking, oh my god, I'm gonna be glossy. Am I gonna be glossy? Let's try it out, guys. Let's not waste time. Let's see. It smelled so good. Wait, it changes color. Oh my goodness, I love it. This is a good investment. I don't need to buy. It's like glossy and colorful. I got them, guys. There are how many? 6, and they were like 90 rupees. Jackpot. If you are in Dali, you are in Dali. If I were in Dali, guys, yo, in Dali lang tolala khona shame. Buy one get one for free. Call me. So the last thing I got are lipsticks. I think they are lipsticks, because see, I got lipsticks, guys. Let's open it. But this package, it looks like someone opened it before. What if it's not the lipsticks inside? Yo, thank you very much. I got lipstick, made lipsticks. Also 90 rupees, guys. It's selling boy kitchimela ba postal ngiyanicela. Oh, I'm trying to, yo, sir. Let me sit nicely. Oh my goodness. Why should I do now? Let's put on top of the gloss so that we can see the color. Okay, guys, life just got better. I have a bag, I have glosses, I have a lipstick. I'm looking like a woman. So I love it. I love them. Here are they, guys. Here, let me show you guys. Because I already showed you guys. Let me show you. The woman that I've become. So I got them. They are like my four of them, and they are giving. There is nothing that makes me happy than a lipstick that smells nice. Okay, I might not carry a bag, I might not put a gloss on, but when it comes to lipstick, I don't compromise, guys. I don't. And you should never, okay? Never. I might not look the best right now because my hair is a mess, and you know, it's been a long day. I just showered and I applied my serum only, so but yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Okay, thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna I want to post weekly videos, but there is nothing interesting in my life. I always say this, and it feels like a verse or just that I always say, but there is nothing that I do. I go to classes, I come back to classes, I stay in the hostel or go to the library because I started doing my research. That's all. But because I want to show you guys the thing that I do in a week. I will try and be posting weekly vlogs, maybe every Monday or Tuesdays, or in between the week. Just every week I have a vlog for you guys, so that you can see my life here. I'm still a social worker. I don't have much things to do. I just sit down and do me, you know, that kind of thing. I just have normal days. So for those who are returning subscribers, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to tell your friends. Don't forget to share my YouTube channel. And those who are new here, please don't forget to comment, like, and mostly please subscribe. And let's just take me to 200 subscribers, guys, please. Yazi ngiyanicela shame. Yo, nginicela shame. Nginicela futhi ngiyanicela isisa, guys. Okay? take me to 200 subscribers. Okay, I love you all, and continue showing me some love. Until the next video.